Hello, dear children, good morning. Today you are going to learn climate zones of the earth reading part. Okay, why do we do reading? We do reading to pronounce the words, to learn how to pronounce the difficult words that comes in our lesson. Okay, so all of you open chapter 6 climate zones of the earth. See, weather and climate. WEATHER, weather and climate. CLIMATE, climate. Weather refers to the atmospheric conditions at a place for a short period. Weather refers, REFERS, refers to the atmospheric, ATMOSPHERIC, atmospheric conditions. CONDITIONS, conditions at a place for a short period. Climate, CLIMATE, climate of a region, 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 is the atmospheric conditions experienced, EXPERIENCED, experienced over a long period. Weather is temporary, TEMPORARY, weather is temporary and changes, CHANGES, changes often, but climate remains, REMAINS, remains stable over a long period. Moreover, weather prevails, PREVAILS, weather prevails over a small area like a city, and climate prevails over a large area like a country. Both weather and climate are closely interrelated. INTERRELATED, interrelated, as weather is a part of climate. Several factors determine DETERMINE. Several factors determine the daily weather of a place. Some of these factors are temperature, 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 air pressure, wind, humidity, 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 precipitation, 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 sunshine, 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 and cloud cover. These are recorded, RECORDED, recorded daily to forecast the weather of a place. The climate of an area is determined on the basis of the weather conditions of that area for a longer period of time. Changes in climate changes the season in a place. In India, we experience EXPERIENCE. In India, we experience 5 main seasons. They are summer, 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 winter, 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 monsoon, 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 spring, 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 and autumn, AUTUMN, autumn. Now next, factors affecting climate, FACTORS, factors affecting, AFFECTING, affecting climate. There are different factors affecting the climate of a place. Temperature and latitude. Temperature is one of the prime determinants, DETERMINANTS, determinants of climate. Temperature depends on the heat received from the sun. The more exposed an area is to the rays of the sun, the higher is its temperature, and vice versa. Equatorial regions, EQUATORIAL, Equatorial regions experience extreme climate. EXTREME, extreme climate. It is because BECAUSE, it is because these regions receive direct rays of the sun. These rays are intense. INTENSE. These rays are intense. So we feel very hot and sweaty. SWEATY, sweaty in this region. When we move away from the equator, the climate becomes moderate. MODERATE, moderate. It is cold at the poles. This is because the places located in this belt receive oblique rays of the sun and are spread out over a larger area. So, it is less hot in these regions. Prevailing winds. The temperature prevalent in a place governs the flow of winds. Winds blow from a cool place to a hot place. Sea breeze and land breeze. During the daytime, land becomes hotter as compared to the sea. This causes the wind above land to become warm. Since the sea is cooler than land during daytime, the wind above the sea is also cooler. The warm wind above the land rises rises high in the air because it is light in weight. This makes room for cold air which gushes gushes in from the sea. This is known as sea breeze. It carries moisture, moisture, which makes the land cool. During the night, land cools quicker than the sea, so the air above it also cools down and becomes dense. As a result, a high pressure a high pressure is formed. This causes This causes the winds to blow outward towards the sea. This is known as land breeze. Land, BREEZE, breeze. So we experience sea breeze in the daytime and land breeze in the evenings in coastal regions. Okay, children, once go through the today's reading part. Okay, bye children, thank you.